Welcome back to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for in-depth and honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into what could be the best hair dryer Ionic fast-drying professional on the market right now. The Professional Ionic Hair Dryer by lpstea. Whether you're styling at home, running a salon, or packing light for travel, this high-speed hair dryer promises to bring you salon-grade performance without damaging your hair. Let's unpack everything it offers in this comprehensive 5-minute breakdown. We begin with what makes this dryer stand out immediately: the motor. This isn't your average hair dryer. It's powered by a 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor. That means the wind speed goes up to 20 meters per second, fast enough to dry short men's hair in just 2 minutes, medium to long hair in around 3 to 4 minutes, and thick long hair in about 5 to 6 minutes. That's salon speed drying right at home. And what's great is that despite this power, the wind feels soft, making it ideal for children or those with sensitive scalps. Moving on to its heat and speed settings, this device doesn't just blow hot air. It gives you 4 heat modes: cold, hot, warm, and a circulation mode. Hot air is for rapid drying, cold air helps lock in your style and shine, while the warm air gives you a gentle, glossy finish that's healthier for your hair. There are also 2 wind speed options, low and high, so you can adjust based on your hair thickness and styling needs. One of the standout features of this dryer is the built-in negative ion generator. When turned on, it releases negatively charged ions along with water vapor particles. Because it helps maintain your hair's moisture, boosts elasticity, and tames frizz. If you often struggle with static electricity or tangled hair after drying, this dryer actively works to smooth things out. Your hair ends up looking smoother, shinier, and more manageable, not fried or brittle. Now let's talk about temperature control. Unlike traditional dryers that can cause long-term damage by overheating, this model is designed with a scientific constant temperature system. It ensures even heat distribution, avoiding hot spots that burn your scalp or damage the hair cuticles. Over time, this can prevent the dryness, dullness, and frizz you often get with cheaper alternatives. So if you're trying to grow healthier, stronger hair or maintain the integrity of colored or treated hair, this constant temperature feature is a big win. The design of this dryer is also quite thoughtful. It comes with 2 attachments, a concentrated air nozzle and a diffuser. The air nozzle is great for more controlled styling, think sleek straight looks or polished blowouts. The diffuser, on the other hand, is perfect for curly or wavy hair, enhancing the natural curl pattern without causing frizz. Both attachments use a 360-degree rotating magnetic design, which allows for flexible movement and secure connection. That means no more frustrating mid-style falls. As for the build, it's made from sturdy plastic, comes in a sleek black color, and runs on 1400 watts of power. It's compact, efficient, and travel-friendly. Whether you're packing it for a trip or using it daily at home, it won't take up too much space, and it looks great on the counter too. If you're after fast drying times, customizable heat settings, smart temperature control, anti-frizz performance, and styling versatility, all in a sleek, modern device, the answer is a solid yes. It brings professional performance into your routine, without the salon price tag. That wraps up our in-depth look at the best hair dryer Ionic fast-drying professional. If you're ready to elevate your hair care game, this model might just be your perfect match. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives. And let us know in the comments what product you want us to review next. See you in the next video.